selfie of me and my sister. She's part of the Wright family too. She's a little older than me, a little taller, and a little more slender. She thinks she's special. And by the way, she's a Libra. See if you can figure out why. My sister comes from an equilateral triangle. She is exactly half of an equilateral triangle. So she is that half right here. There's my sister. Can you figure out her angle measurements? What are the angle measurements here and here? Also, if this is an equilateral triangle and this has a side length 2, what is the measurement of her side right here? Pause the video here while you explore this with your group. You probably figured out by now that my sister has a little bit different dimensions than I do. Since she's exactly half of an equilateral triangle, her measurement up here is 30. Her measurement over in this corner is 60. And of course, this is a right angle measuring 90 degrees. If her hypotenuse is 2, then her shorter leg is 1 because it's half of the distance. Now you need to figure out the length of the second longer leg. You can use a squared plus b squared equals c squared, but be careful because this time you know a squared and you know c squared, but you need to figure out b squared. And as always, remember to simplify the radical. You take the hypotenuse squared, you take the short leg squared, you get the long leg squared when you subtract. You do the Pythagoras and take the square root. That's how you get the length. Woo! When you're done with that, fill out the remainder of the table. Can you figure out the length of my sister's triangle? If the hypotenuse is 4, what are the dimensions of the other 2 legs? Likewise, can you figure out the dimensions of the other 2 legs of the triangle on my sister if her hypotenuse is 8? Continue working with your group until you have finished filling in the table. Have fun, and as always, remember to simplify the radical.